Hello, families. I just want to quickly show you how to log into the new site that I've started. So you'll get a link in an email just like this. You will click on it and it will open up our new class website, La Classe de Madame Macmillan. You'll see here there's a little photo gallery of some of the things that your students have sent me. Now what I want to draw your attention to is up here, weekly plans. This is where you'll find every week's plans, the PDF that I usually send. All of the week's plans will be in here. All of the links will still work. It's just opening it up. So if there was an activity that you wanted from the week before, you can just zip into the week before. If you scroll down, it's also got the overview and then an up-to-date usernames and codes, class codes list. These links, if you open them up, you can do this on your phone, you can do this on your computer. It opens up the PDF of the plans just like it always does. So they look just the same, which is great. And all those links are still in there. So you can click on Epic, Jali, videos for Mastermind, everything is still in there. Then you can just go back to there. Then there's 3 different kinds of videos: read aloud videos, greetings for kids and for adults, teaching videos. So those are pretty self-explanatory. If you click into read aloud videos, you will see the read aloud videos that I have made. They're all just my silly videos. And other Willow's websites. That's just the last tab here. Mrs. Powell has created a great website for the library, the music website, and Miss J's website. So I just wanted to show you that everything is still there. The way to get there is just to go into your weekly plans and then you can find the plans. What I would recommend, I know that a lot of kids are getting a little more independent in this, is if you put a bookmark in your bookmarks bar. So if you save it, this is what it looks like in my household, but if I put it in the bookmarks bar, and actually if I take the title off completely, you'll see what it looks like. I have too many bookmarks, so it's way down there. But you will see that that's a little icon of me. It's a little Bitmoji of me. So if you erase the whole name, that'll just be up there. Then your child can learn that they just need to click there. Once they get in, they can go to weekly plans, and in each plan, they can click on all the links. I hope this is helpful. Good luck. Let me know if it works better. I'll still send a PDF for a few weeks attached, but this way your kids should be a little more independent. Thanks.